American values.
Walking through a party in the county jail.
American values are an important part of Americans' life because it's a cultural principle that is present in their lives.
The prison band was there and they began to wail. The band was jumping down the
Every American uses some values in their life, even famous people.
began to swing. You should have heard this knocked out jailbird sing that.
Elvis Presley was a famous person and an American icon. He had some specific values in his life like change and control of the environment.
Everybody let it rock. Everybody in a wholesale bar.
The American value change is present when a person introduces something different in his life and environment.
Jail out rock. Spider Murphy played his in a saxophone. Little Joe and
The change was present in Elvis Presley's life because he introduced a new genre called rock and roll.
blowing on the slide trombone. The drummer boy from Illinois would crash, boom, bang.
Elvis was able to change the paradigm of people and introduced the rock on Americans' life.
The whole rhythm section was a purple gang.
Another American value is the control over the environment. This is present when a person is able to control the environment, the things, and also the people around him.
Everybody let's rock. Everybody knows everybody.
The control over the environment was present in Elvis Presley's life because Elvis controlled people's style and the way they dressed.
We're dancing to the jailhouse rock. Number 47 said to number 3, you the cutest jailbird.
Elvis controlled a whole generation with his own style, causing people to follow him. In conclusion, we can see that in Elvis' life there were present two American values, the change and the control of the environment.